and today we're gonna have a party. With Patchy Pig. Pig Patch. There we go. So yeah, I love the decoration. And also his two-colored eyes, like disco eyes. So if we look on the back, we have Rockstar Freddy, Rockstar Foxy, Pig Patch, Over the Elephant, Helpy, which is very annoying in FNaF Ultimate Custom Night, Yefty, and Mr. Hippo. We all knew it was going to end this way where Super Saiyan 88 lost his life. We have, and Happy Frog. I couldn't think of one more good name. Come on, I expect better from you, Scott. This is 364, so let's open him up. I think it's funny how Pop is one of the toys that you like better in the box. So yeah, here's Pig Patch. Dun 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 dun. And guess what? He has a tail. Dun 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 dun. The disco eyes are funny. So he has a banjo, he has the disco eyes, he has the tail, dun 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 dun, and then fox ears for some reason. He has a belly button. Look, that's a pretty good detail. I realized something about the FNaF Pizzeria Simulator. They all have red cheeks, and actually it's not called FNaF 6. Dun dun! It's called Pizzeria Simulator. So yeah. Boom! It is actually FNaF 6, but it's actually called Pizzeria Simulator. So yeah, you have like the nice, you actually can see, like nice little pants. You can actually see the springs, like how it gets actually springs. So make sure it looks like an animatronic. So yeah, he's amazing. You can't actually put your finger in his mouth, which is actually good. His two teeth. So yeah, he's pretty cool. The bench is actually bent, as you can see here. Could move the arm up just a little. The nose is ridiculous. You funny. So excuse me. So hi. Bye. That bang is Irvil trying. Are you thinking about it again? Nope, no you aren't. He's thinking about it again. I'm looking for. He's gonna come up again. 3, 2. No, he's having second thoughts. He's going to the next one. Okay. Bye. And hi. So I hope you enjoyed this. Where the heck are you going? No. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.